Very good morning, children. I am L.K. Tripathi. Dear students, as we have finished our targeted chapters already, so we will not go ahead until we don't revise our syllabus which we have completed already. So it's better for us to discuss about the power resources. This is our original video. Already I have sent this video at the time of online classes. This is second video of the chapter. So let's discuss something. Those who joined the group late, it is beneficial for them also. So power resources, that is. This is from your geography. What is power resources? This discussion will provide you the benefit to know about that. Minerals, fuels, especially fossil fuels, are mainly used across the world to provide most of the energy to run machines for communication and industrial purposes. Due to increasing population and industrialization, the demand for energy is also increasing rapidly. Energy or power resources might be renewable or non-renewable. Minerals, fuels are non-renewable. The three fossil fuels, petroleum, coal, and natural gas, account for 80% of the global energy use, while about 5% is provided by uranium. Another major mineral, fuel. The remaining 15% is provided by renewable sources such as hydropower, wind and solar energy. Newer sources such as biofuels and biomass are also renewable. Next, that is non-renewable sources, petroleum, that is. Petroleum, also referred to as black gold or liquid gold, is the most important source of energy in the world at present. Major factors that account for its significance are as follows. Number one, it provides fuel for heating and lighting and generates thermal power. Number two, it is used as a lubricant for machinery. Number three, it provides raw material for a number of industries, that is, petrochemicals, synthetic fibers, fertilizers, etc. It has a wide range of domestic uses, for example, cooking, heating, etc. It provides motive power for vehicles. Petroleum and natural gas are usually formed together from the remains of animals. These accumulate, decompose, and remain trapped in rocks. Petrol is an important fossil fuel and a complex mix of hydrocarbons that occur in liquid, gas, and solid forms. Both petroleum and natural gas come from the same organism and are generally found in sedimentary rocks. Often petroleum is referred to as crude oil. It is distributed through a network of pipelines. Petroleum provides a large number of energy products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, and aviation fuel. It is also used for lubricants, chemicals, and paraphenol. Asphalt and paraphenol obtained from the residue. The principal petroleum producing countries in the world are in the Persian Gulf region. Saudi Arabia is the leader, followed by countries like Iran, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain. Some other countries that are important producers are Russia, the US, China, Indonesia, Egypt, Libya, Myanmar, and Brazil. India has large reserves of petroleum, but these are not enough to meet the demands of the country's huge population. You will find petroleum fields in eastern Assam, in Gujarat, and offshore in the Arabian Sea. These three areas account for nearly the entire oil output in India. Other places include Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh. Coal. This fossil fuel is found in layers of varying thickness in beds of sedimentary rocks. Its distribution is highly uneven in many parts of the world. It is solid and black or brown in color. Coal is widely used to generate thermal electricity. Different climatic conditions, types of vegetation, and the time factor cause the formation of different kinds of coal. Peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite are the four main types of coal. Peat is the first stage of coal formation. It is brownish with a high percentage of moisture and low carbon content of 45% to 60%. Its low heating capacity allows it to be used only as a domestic fuel. Lignite or brown coal is the second stage of coal formation. It also has a high moisture content and much volatile matter. It is used in generating electricity and for the manufacture of gas, plastics, and nylon. Bituminous coal is higher in carbon content and is the main type of mined coal with little moisture content. This coal is important for steel making and in generating thermal power for household and industrial purposes. Anthracite is hard, black coal with very high carbon content and no volatile matter. It burns slowly with more heat and little or no smoke. Therefore, Its chief use is for central heating in buildings and steam generation in ships and boilers. The biggest reserves of coal are found in the US, Russia, South Africa, Australia, Germany, UK, China, and India. India is the world's largest producer of lignite. There are about 500 mines, both surface and deep pit types. Most of it is found in the Chota Nagpur plateau, which is the main source of cooking coal. The most important coal producing regions are located in the valleys of rivers such as Damodar, Son, Mahanadi, Godavari, Vardha. These regions account for 98% of the country's total coal reserves. The Jharia and Raniganj coal fields are the two largest coal fields in Bihar and West Bengal, respectively. Other areas include Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Kashmir, and Sikkim. So, we have come to know about the power resources up to here. Next, we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, do your task properly, learn and revise the syllabus daily. Also, complete your copies, fair, CW, everything. Thank you.